Ndani ati makiria ma family ngiri 6 nao nĩ matigĩtwo matarĩ na wĩikaro thutha wa mũcirithania Sika Munyao gũteanĩria title cia makiri ma ĩka cia mũgũnda ũcio. Aikari aya maugĩte mũcirithania ũcio nĩ endereire mwena ũmwe agĩtua itua rĩake rĩrĩa marauga nĩ thĩna ũngĩcoka umĩre title icio ingĩkanjwo, makiuga makiri ma andũ megũtigwo matarĩ na gwa gũikara.
Tulipata title zaidi ya 3,000. Wakati tulipata title 3,000, mimi hao watu wengine wanajiita Riobe, hatujai kuona hao Wakalenjin kutoka Baringo. Hakuna anaishi hiyo shamba, sisi tumeishi kama community. Nimeshangaa kuona judge wakati tulienda anapindua hiyo maneno yote. Kwa hivyo mimi na mawakili wangu wote hatukutosheka na yale ambaye Judge Sila Munyao alisoma kwa ruling zake.
We are moving forward to do a complaint letter and a petition against Justice Munyao to the Judicial Service Commission in order he may be investigated on the manner he has reached to this ruling.
The people of Oljorai are the one who moved to court, meaning that they are the aggrieved party in this matter. But surprisingly, what they got from the court was a raw deal, because they moved to court so that their grievances could be dealt with, could be addressed. But instead of the judge, instead of the court addressing the grievances, he instead put the people of Oljorai in a double tragedy, a double jeopardy.